So what's up guys? It's your boy Captain FS, and today I'm gonna be breaking down some of the trades I'm interested in for the week. We'll be breaking this down together. So let's go down to the chart. So right now this is GBP card, as you can see, GBP card, and this is the daily time frame. The daily time frame is clearly bullish. As you can see, the market is bullish. We are retesting back at the area of interest. We have almost rejected at this point, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and this time I believe we are rejecting again. So what I'm anticipating and waiting for on this market on Monday or Tuesday is that I want this market to give me a shift of structure on the lower time frame, and and on the FAWA right now, FAWA is currently bullish if you look at it. So what I'll be looking for on this market on Monday is I'll be waiting for like an engulfing candlestick to give me a confirmation for a buy. Then I will put my enter. I will use that engulfing candlestick to do my entry signal. So let's go to the next market. We have GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is a market that has a very clean structure. On the daily time frame, we are very bullish. We are very bullish on the daily time frame, and weekly is also bullish. The weekly is bullish. So I just want to be targeting from this point to this higher here. So on the FAWA, if you can look at the FAWA, you see that this market has given us a clean structure point. So what I will be expecting from this market on Monday is that I want this market to just give me my entry signal at this point to then buy. So once I buy and the market is going to do what it's going to do, then we're going to be taking the buy. Let's move to the next market, NZD JPY. This market has a very clean bullish structure point. If you go to the daily time frame, you will see we were higher low, higher low, it's creating another higher low. So now this point is where we are going to be looking for our buy. And why will we be looking for our buy at that point? Because the 4 hour has given us a very clear structure that this market is likely and it has the potential to go to the upside. As you can see on the 4 hour right now, we are it's already giving us something like an engulfing right now. As you can see, once whenever the markets break to the upside, to the downside, we are waiting for this blue candlestick to give us, then we enter from that point. But right now we are not in the right session to trade, so we won't be taking this market right now. I'll be waiting for a confirmation on London session on Monday. If it gives me, I'll be interested in this market. I'll be taking the buys. Let's move to the next market, Euro AUD. And Euro AUD is also a very interesting market for this week because the weekly is bullish, all time frame is bullish right now. So this market on the 4 hour we are bullish, on the daily we are bullish. Hold on, the market is kind of fucking us up right now. So like we are bullish on all time frame. This market is going to the weekly higher high, so we are just targeting the few pips we can target and get that from the market. So now this is CAD JPY. We are also going to be taking a buy for this week on CAD JPY. That is Canadian. So I'll just be expecting for my buy at this point. Once I get my buy signal from this point, I'll be taking this buy to the upside. Let's move to the next market. That is AUD JPY. This is AUD JPY right here. AUD JPY. As you can see, this market structure is just moving, aligning almost the same thing this next week. But what the most important thing is that we capitalize from this market move. Let's move to the next market. This is GBP USD. GBP USD has a very funny shift of structure, but in this kind of market situation, I always don't break my trading plan. I've already drawn out what I want to see. I want this market to first give me an shift that this market is clearly giving us a lower low. Then after giving us the lower low, I'll be waiting for a higher high, a like market to shift back to bullish, giving me another higher high. then higher low. I'll be entering from this higher low right here, then boom to the upside. The last market on my list. So the last market on my list right here today is NZDJPY, NZDUSD. NZDUSD is looking funny, but I'll be very patient on this market because I don't want to lose my money. So what I'll be waiting for is this market. I want the 4-hour candlestick to close above this line. So if this 4-hour candlestick can close above this line, then I'll be waiting for a higher low right here. Then I'll be buying from here to this point. Just a day trade, Just make what you can make and get that from the market. So guys, that is all the market I have for this week. And I really hope this week is an excellent week, which I know I'm already feeling it already. So guys, if you are not subscribing to my YouTube channel, if you are not subscribing, please do to subscribe, like, follow, let's share with our friends, and you can also join part of my Telegram community. I'll be dropping the link on this video. I do drop back-to-back signals whenever I want to take my trade. That is where I drop my signals, So let's see how the way go, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys, let's take this account to 10K.